How to use Sora AI for music video. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Sora.com. Make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, in order to use AI for music videos, firstly, pick a 10 to 20 second segment of your song or beat, as this will help you to match the visual pacing, time your scene transitions, and decide if you want slow, dreamy, or fast, chaotic visuals. Next, match your music's mood to the prompt. For instance, if your mood is lo-fi and chill, your prompt could sound like a girl looking out the window of a moving train during sunset, headphones on, soft lighting, cinematic, and the aspect ratio is 16:1. Next, if your music mood is dark or cinematic, then your prompt can sound like a lone figure walking through an abandoned city at night, rain falling, neon signs flickering, slow motion, and moody lighting. And if your mood is uplifting or indie, then your prompt can sound like sunlight breaking through clouds over a mountain valley, wide-angle drone shots, bird flying high, and golden hour. So once you have decided on your prompt, go ahead and choose various Sora video settings, that is, set your duration, that is to 10 to 20 seconds depending on your subscription, set your aspect ratio to 16:9 for landscape music videos, and set your style to cinematic, dreamy, or hyper-realistic. Also, if you have a pro version, then set your resolution to 1080p. Now, let Sora generate 1 to 4 versions of the video and watch them muted first to check the vibe. Further, choose the one that matches your music the best and then download the video and save it further. So, this is how you can use Sora AI for music videos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.